Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you the recipe of a new dish. Before you check out the recipe, do like, share and subscribe our channel. We are going to prepare kebab masala. In order to prepare kebab masala, take a food processor and add 2 medium sliced onion, 5 green chilli, and a handful of coriander leaves. If you do not have food processor, you can always use a chopper or even your mixer jar. To it, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and add all your keema or minced meat into the jar. You can always use minced chicken or minced meat. Chop the mixture, close the lid and chop the mixture together. Allow it to combine well. Once it is combined well, open the lid and add 2 tablespoons of roasted coriander and cumin powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder and lemon juice of 1 lemon. Close the lid and chop it all together. Once it is combined well again, take out the lid and add salt as per your taste. Add 2 or 3 slices of bread for binding. Bread is used for the purpose of binding well. Again, chop everything together and transfer it to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon chilli flakes and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. You got to add both chilli flakes and chilli powder. Once you have added these, combine the mixture well with the help of your hand. Use your hand this time and combine the mixture well. And now you have to make kebabs out of this mixture. To make kebabs, take handful of mixture and insert into the skewer like this. Yes. You got to insert the mixture into the skewer like this. Wet your hands and keep on pressing like this. Always remember, do not keep your hand dry because the mixture may tend to stick to your palm. That's why you have to wet your hands every now and then so that the mixture doesn't stick. Also remember, 2 sides of the kebab should always be hollow so that it is fried well. Yes, this is the way you prepare kebab. See, the 2 sides of the kebab are hollow. The kebab is done. Now we are supposed to fry it. In order to fry the kebabs, take a pan, pour some oil sufficient for shallow frying. Add your kebabs. Do not overcrowd your pan with more kebabs because your kebabs may break into pieces. Shallow fry them in medium flame. Let them fry gradually, and when it comes to this stage, transfer it to a plate. Our kebabs are ready. Now in order to make the masala, you need to take a vessel, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. To it, add 3 medium sliced onion. Saute the onion well until it changes its color. Fry it really well. To it, add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute it or fry it until the raw smell goes. To it, add 3 medium sliced tomatoes. Now fry the tomatoes until it becomes soft and mushy. You can always close the vessel with a lid and allow them to fry. Once it's done, open the lid and give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander and cumin dry roasted powder, cumin and coriander powder is homemade over here. Now once you have added the powder, mix it really well. Now after mixing it really well, you can add 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and mix it all together. Add half a glass of water so that it becomes a little gravy. You can add a little lime juice to it. Close the lid and let it cook. Once it's cooked, open the lid and you can see the oil extracting. At this stage, you can add your kebabs into it. Add it very slowly so that it doesn't break. Once you have added all your kebabs, give it a slight stir. A slight stir is enough for them to mix together. Yes, like this. Now to it you can add a little water so that it doesn't become too dry, and allow it to cook. Add 1 teaspoon crushed kasuri methi, coriander leaves, and green chillies. On top of it, you can also add chili flakes. Close the lid and allow it to cook. Give it a slight stir, allow it to mix slightly. And now, time to give a charcoal effect. To give charcoal effect, place a foil inside the vessel and heat a charcoal. On it, you can add a piece of butter, ghee or oil. Once it leaves its smoke, you can close the lid for 5 minutes. Keep it like that. Yes, you have given the charcoal effect now. And now, yes, our kebab masala is all ready. Do try and leave your comment in the comment section below. If you have not liked, shared and subscribed, do it now. Thank you and bye-bye.